What a pretty cowgirl! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Story 4 coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Jessie. I hope you guys follow along with me and you need something to do with markers, a green paper and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I'll get started right now. Okay, so today I'm gonna color in the cowgirl. It's Jessie. Let's start on her face first. She has green eyes. And her skin is light peach. Let's make her hair red with a yellow bow on it. And let's also color in her hat red. Her shirt is yellow and white with red accents. Let's color in her belt brown and gold. And let's make her pants blue, black, and white. I'm gonna color in her boots brown and gold. And I finished color in Jessie's. Next I'm gonna color in the flags down here. Red, yellow, purple, blue, and lastly let's color in the start up here. Yellow, and I finished color in the picture of Jessie. Next, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so gorgeous! Jessie just looks so pretty and she is one very cool story. Alright guys, thanks for watching! I hope you have fun in my world of colors, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!